As always, appreciate it. Lots of breaks tonight. Huge giveaway tonight. So make sure to jump in if you can. Love to have you. So what we will need to pick left or right. So left or right. I need a left or a right, a left or a right, left or a right, left or a right. You guys do not like to pick, do you? All right, I got a left. All right, I'm going to go left if nobody else says anything. All right. Top 4. Okay, I got another one. Somebody's going to have to break the tie. Top 4 or left? Anybody top 4 or left? Big Sean, top 4 or left? Miller, Jake, somebody? Top 4 or left? You guys suck. Come on, man. Top 4 or left? Top 4 or left? Somebody got to break the tie. Everyone's shy tonight. All right, top 4 or left? Somebody, Miller, Big Sean, Jake, somebody. Clap on, I don't care. B-Hab, anybody. Top 4 or left? Alright, left of this. Thank you, guys. Oh, Shizer. Oh, Shizer. Alright, guys, here we go. Good luck to y'all. I can blame Gondo if I don't get any here. Alright, good call. Robert Kelly. This is going to be a 1 of 1, I think. 1 of 1 for the Redskins. Robert Kelly. 1 of 1. Cracked ice. 1 of 1 Robert Kelly for the Redskins. And a Pink out of 299, Malik McDowell. But we do have to do the 1-of-1 Rumble Bumble. The 1-of-1 Rumble Bumble. 1-of-1 Rumble Bumble. All right. Frank Gore yellow out of 199 for the Colts. Zay Jones for the Buffalo Bills jersey swatch. Zay Jones out of 199. Gerard Davis out of 499 for the Lions green. Origin football ending now on the Bay. Origins football. Gosh, man. Do. For the Jaguars, Dwayne Smoot auto purple. Come on, focus. Out of 25, Dwayne Smoot auto. Cardinals just ended in Origins. Come on, focus. Out of 99, DeAndre Washington for the Raiders. Pinkish. Eddie Jackson, pink, out of 299 for the Bears. Akeem Hicks out of 199 for the Bears. Akeem Hicks. And Trent Taylor out of 149 for the Niners. Backs are horrible. Yellow, Ryan Switzer auto for the Cowboys. Out of 149. Green, Greg Ward Jr. out of 499 for the Eagles. Purple, Jeremy Hill. Out of 99, Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. Purple. Box 1, done. Again, Origins ending now. We're on the Bills. Bills, Panthers, Bears. For the Saints, jumbo jersey, Alvin Kamara. Out of 199. For the Saints, Alvin Kamara. And Tankersley out of 299 for the Dolphins, pink. For the Dolphins, yellow auto, Charles Harris. Out of 149, Charles Harris. Eddie Jackson Green out of 499 for the Bears. Chandler Jones out of 199 yellow for the Cardinals. Orange, Yahoo Chesson out of 99 for the Chiefs. Bears just ended. We're on the Bengals, Browns, Cowboys, and Origins. Oh, shit. 250 points. Justin Houston out of 199 for the Chiefs. Gerard Davis out of 199 for the Lions. Jared Veldheer, purple out of 99 for the Cardinals. Gerard Davis Green for the Lions out of 499. And yellow, Jermon Bushrod out of 199 for the Dolphins. All right, box 3. Purple, Tevin Coleman for the Falcons out of 99. Tevin Coleman out of 99 for the Falcons. Matthew Days out of 499 green for the Browns. Yellow, Chris Chester out of 199 for the Falcons. Cowboys, Broncos, Lions, ending now in Origins. Chris Godwin jersey. Chris Godwin out of 199 for the Buccaneers. Elijah Qualls out of 199 for the Eagles. Yellow. Green, 2 Buccaneer guys. Mike Evans and Deshaun Jackson out of 199. For the Falcons, Brian Hill auto. For the Falcons, Brian Hill purple auto out of 99. Green, Marcus Williams out of 499 for the Saints. Orange, Kirk Cousins out of 49 for the Redskins. Redskins orange, Kirk Cousins, and a TJ Watt purple out of 149 for the Steelers. Oh, that's going to be a low number hit. Woo, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch auto. For the Buffalo Bills, Nathan and his Peterman. For the Bills, Nathan Peterman, 2 of 5. I think that's his jersey number. Yep, jersey number 2 of 5. Nathan Peterman for the Bills. Zach Cunningham out of 299 for the Texans. Pink. Lions just ended. We're on the Packers just ended. Texans, Colts ending now. Ooh, a red. It's a low number. 4 of 15, Andy Dalton for the Cincinnati Bengals. All right, last box. Good luck, guys. Ooh, another. Oh, this jersey. 6 of 25, jersey zoned in for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson. 6 of 25 for the Seahawks. Jonnu Smith pink out of 299 for The Titans. Texans just ended in Origins. We're on the Colts, Jags. Oh, that's not okay. Purple out of 49, Talib and Chris Harris for the Broncos. Desmond King out of 149 for the Chargers. Colts just ended. We're on the Jaguars, Chiefs. Jaguars and Chiefs ending now. For the Packers, Montravius Adams auto for the Packers. Montravius Adams. 32 of 49. James Harrison out of 99, purple for the Steelers. And a green Greg Ward Jr. out of 499 for the Eagles. Aaron Rodgers, yellow out of 199 for the Packers. Taco Me Taco for the Cowboys. For the Cowboys, Taco Charlton. Out of 149. Reuben Foster, pink, out of 299 for the Niners. Barry Sanders, green, out of 199 for the Lions. And Isaiah Ford out of 499 for the Dolphins. And a yellow Muhammad Wilkerson, yellow, out of 199 for the Jets. And a red Cameron Sutton out of 25 for the Steelers, 7 of 25. All right, we do have to random off the 250 points. All right, guys, come on over. We're going to roll the dice for the points. We do not do 2s or 3s. We got an 11. 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Goes to the Packers. 250 points goes to the Packers. All right. Up next is Contenders Basketball.